Ardell Beauty, we have a lot of new stuff. We have new mascaras, new eyeshadows, new lipsticks. This year, what makes our brand different is that we just launched Ardell Beauty here in Dubai, so we're really excited for you guys to check it out.
So excited to be back here at Dubai Beauty World with Ardell Lashes, the #1 selling lash line in the world. And of course, we have something brand new for you, magnetic lashes, which our lovely models are wearing. All you do is sandwich your own lashes with the magnetics, no adhesive needed, it's amazing. And we have our beautiful foaming styles, fluttery, lightweight, everyone can wear them.
It's amazing working with Nazih Group. I mean, we've been working with him for decades, so we just can't wait to keep growing this relationship stronger and stronger every year.